Welcome to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex, and this is your weekly deep dive.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, machine learning, developer tools, and tech infrastructure.
Today's news is wild. Microsoft is turning Windows into a full-blown runtime for autonomous AI agents.
That's right. And it's not just Copilot tweaks. It's a massive architectural shift happening at Build 2026.
Wait, Build 2026? Isn't that June 2-3 in San Francisco? What's actually shipping?
Actually, the biggest news didn't wait for the keynote. Copilot Studio's May 2026 update already hit GA.
GA, like generally available. What does that mean for enterprise devs right now?
It means computer-using agents are now GA. They interact with UI layers directly, not brittle APIs.
So, no more scraping DOMs? If an app updates its UI, does the agent just break?
That's huge for enterprise.
What about agents talking to each other? Is that stable yet?
Agent-to-agent communication is GA too. It uses Microsoft's WorkIQ spec, built on the IETF draft.
Wait, IETF. So it's not just a Microsoft walled garden? What about Google's involvement?
Exactly. Google co-developed the A2A protocol in early 2026. It's an open standard now.
Okay, so agents can coordinate. But how do we actually build these things? Is there a new SDK?
Yes. The headline is the Microsoft Agent Framework. It's the convergence of AutoGen and semantic kernel.
AutoGen meets semantic kernel? That's a mouthful. What does the unified framework actually do?
It gives us four core primitives: agent, agent group, agent runtime, and tool registry.
4 primitives. Break that down. What's the agent runtime specifically?
It's the execution host. It supports local, containerized, and Azure-managed deployments seamlessly.
And what languages are supported? I'm a Python guy. Am I left out?
Nope. Both .NET Cs and Python are supported with consistent APIs across both runtimes.
That's great. What about memory? Do agents lose context between calls?
We're on to this leading us directly to what this agents.
Okay, so we have the framework, but Microsoft is also doing something weird with Windows itself.
They're repositioning Windows as a sandbox runtime for agents. It's a platform designation, not just a product.
A sandboxed runtime. You mean agents run as first-class system constructs?
Exactly. They get capability grants, lifecycle management, and a distribution channel like the store.
Is the Windows Agent Runtime preview out yet? What can it do today?
It ships to insiders in June. Initially, it's text-based agents on JSON, XML, and PDF files.
So no vision-based agents yet? Those are coming in 2027?
Correct. Vision capabilities are on the roadmap for 2027. For now, it's structured data.
What about security? If agents can launch apps, that's scary. How is that handled?
The sandbox issues per agent grants. Users approve file system and network access during installation.
So it's like mobile permissions. You tap allow before the agent gets in? That makes sense.
Exactly. And the Windows Agent Store is the new discovery layer for these agents.
Wait, I heard something about WorkIQ and MCP servers in the May update too?
Yes. WorkIQ added REST API access and remote MCP server support. It's huge for interoperability.
MCP? Like Model Context Protocol? So Copilot agents can talk to Claude and Gemini?
Yes. They share the same tool surface. It's a significant step for mixed provider AI stacks.
What about the workflows? Are they still split between Power Automate and Copilot?
No more split. The new canvas combines deterministic actions and AI steps in one surface.
And the performance? Is it faster? What about costs for high-volume deployments?
20% better evaluation performance at 50% lower token consumption. That's meaningful economics.
Okay, but what about the agent framework pricing? Is it free to use locally?
Local execution is free. Azure-hosted agent runtime is consumption-based via Azure AI Foundry.
Got it. Per invocation and per tool call. But when do we get the exact rates?
Expected at the June 2 keynote. But audit your usage under the AI credits model now.
Why audit now? Is the billing model changing?
Yes. It transitions on June 1. Avoid surprises in the first week of production.
Okay, so we have the framework, the Windows runtime, and the interoperability. What's the big picture?
Microsoft is making Windows a first-class platform for autonomous agents, not just an app runner.
And for developers, where should we focus our attention right now?
Focus on the Agent Framework SDK and the new WorkIQ APIs. The surface area is enormous.
So no more brittle scripts? Just agents with adaptive recovery and shared context?
Exactly. It's robotic process automation without the brittle scripts. That's the key takeaway.
This changes everything for enterprise software. Thanks for breaking this down, Sam.
My pleasure. It's a massive shift. We'll see how it plays out at the keynote.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives. We'll be there.
Original source is linked in the description. See you at the next episode.
Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.